Make sure that no dates remain on the tree because wasting God's blessing is a sin.
Peace be upon you, Father, how are you?
Peace be upon you too, son. When did you get up? If you haven't had breakfast, then come here and eat dates.
Thank you, I have had breakfast. What are you doing?
I have come here with this young man to take off these dates before they go bad.
So why didn't you wake me up? If I had come, the work would have finished quickly.
You were studying for a long time last night, so I didn't want to wake you up.
Yes, Baba, I do not know what time I fell asleep last night.
Yes, I came to your room last night before going to bed, but you were so busy studying that you didn't realize. By the way, which book were you reading last night?
Brother.
Yes.
Brother, there are no dates left. Should I go to another tree?
Thank you very much. Just get down now.
Okay, brother.
Come on, son, there's nothing left to do here. Let's sit in the shade of this tree. So which book were you reading last night?
Baba, do you remember some time ago when we went on Hajj?
Yes, I remember what a blessed journey it was.
After performing Hajj? When I was passing through a bazaar in Medina, I saw this book. I found this book very interesting, so I bought it.
It looks like a very good book. What is its subject?
I have just started reading it.
Peace be upon you, brothers.
Hello, God is witness that you have worked very hard today.
Thank you, but the job was easy.
Then come. Sit here and rest for a while.
No, thank you. My mother is alone at home. I have to go.
Greet her for me. You have done a great job today. Take your wages.
These coins are too much for my work.
It's yours. You've worked hard today.
Thank you, brother. Goodbye.
Dad, drink some water.
No, son, you drink. I am not thirsty. I have read this book. Isn't its author Hisham ibn al-Hakam?
Yes, yes. Do you know him?
He was a student of Imam Jafar Sadiq, who was studying in Maktab-e-Jafaria.
Dad, tell me a little more about him.
The era of Imam Jafar Sadiq was a cultural and intellectual era, and the people were developing a passion for learning the teachings of Islam. That is why the Imam decided to create the school of Jafaria so that everyone could find answers to their questions easily.
So was there anyone opposed to the idea of this school?
Yes, the ruler of that time, Mansur Dawanki, had a problem with the Imam school. He tried to stop every act of the Imam, but when nothing happened to him, he planned to kill Imam Jafar Sadiq.
How did he kill the Imam?
Mansur Dawanki sent a letter to the ruler of Medina and wrote that you have to poison Imam Jafar Sadiq by any means necessary. The ruler of Medina sent poisonous grapes for the Imam by the hands of his slave, and the Imam was martyred on the 25th of Shawwal at the age of 63.